Edwin Allen, that was really nice, really powerful. It really came across as a strong performance. Only one thing I'd say is that maybe it was a little bit low in registers. If it went up even by a tone, it might have made a big difference in terms of how it cut across. But great job, good job. No, look nice. Love the flowers.
Yes, the costumes really, really nice. The physical energy is nice. I would have loved to see more smiles from everyone because what you're singing about indicates that you have a great reason to smile. Remember, it's a top four. So you have to use every element and every last person has to be pushing in that way. The band is really special. Very nice band. But lovely tone. I would have liked a little bit more variation, but great performance.
Good energy, good blend. You gave me the cake, but you didn't give me the icing. If you had just changed the key by a semitone, that would have been it. That would have been it for me. But you deserve to be in the top four, and it's the first time you're reaching so far. Congratulations.